All right, so I'm supposed to be leaving, but I want to show you something right before I leave the house because it's gorgeous and I don't know what it's going to look like next time I get here. So let me see if you can see how tall this Queen Anne's lace is. So this is a weed in this color, but then I'll show you in a second the Dara that I planted, and I think it's the same sort of species. I'll write it on the screen, but oh my gosh, there's a butterfly over here. It's a swallowtail. But really different look, a little bit different height. Let's see, right here. Look at how much of I have of it here, and can you see the pollinators on there? It makes this bed look so whimsical. So I let these bloom, and then before these go to seed, these white ones, I'll pull them out because they're really weedy. These are a little bit fancier, so I'll keep them. I just wanted to show you what that looks like. Let's see. In that bed, and the super tall one over here by the bench. Isn't that so cool? We'll keep an eye on those, but since I haven't done a garden tour in a while, you haven't seen these blooming yet. This is how tall the yarrow is. And then these Marguerite daisies are just huge this year. Look at how fluffy they are. So it looks like a lot of the ones on the corner over there are the white ones. Some of the ones that are a little lower down are they're called Chocolate Dara. I got the seed from Florette a couple years ago. I'll get some close-ups. This is what they look like as they're growing. So cute. And then the Crocosmia Lucifer is super tall in this bed this year, I think because it's competing with those tall Queen Anne's lace. So just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of how the garden's doing. Look how tall that foxglove is too. Craziness. Just do a little spin here. Some of the Verbena bonariensis came up too. So when I sit, it looks even more dramatic behind me. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you again in the greenhouse soon.
Take a breath, hang out with me, find yourself in Candle's greenhouse. Take a breath, 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 hang out with me, find yourself in Candle's greenhouse.